In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. This is an essential skill if you're working on data science or programming projects and want to share your work or collaborate with others through version control. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to upload your Jupyter Notebook. Once you're inside your chosen repository, look near the top of the page and click on Add File. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select Upload Files. You'll now be taken to the upload page. Click on Choose Your Files to open your computer's file browser. Navigate through your folders and locate the Jupyter Notebook you want to upload. Jupyter Notebook files typically use the ipynb extension, making them easy to identify. Select your notebook and click Open. Your file will now appear on the GitHub upload page, ready to be added to your repository. Next, scroll down to the commit section. You can enter a description of what you're uploading or simply use GitHub's default commit message. Once you're ready, click Commit Changes. GitHub will process the upload and your Jupyter Notebook will now appear in your repository. You can click on the notebook to view its contents directly on GitHub. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a Jupyter Notebook to GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.